So guys, today I want to show you how you can do a very nice recipe of potato, and we're going to do potato sauteed. So we start with the potatoes. In my case I have only 6 because it's for 1 serving. So we peel our potatoes. Let's peel our potatoes. So now after peeling, you cut into thin round strips like that. I like making them very slim so that they can cook quickly. Like that. When I'm cutting, I don't like using the chalkboard. Like that. So our potatoes are cooking well and are tender. So we have a bowl with water, cold water here. The reason why we want to put them in cold water is we don't want them to continue cooking. We branch it in cold water, so we remove so that it doesn't continue cooking like that. Our potatoes are well boiling, but you don't for a long time, you just want them to be tender. So let's see whether they have become tender. Not yet, we put them tight. You make sure you turn slowly without break. You don't want to break them, remember? So in my case, I got just a normal spoon to turn them. You also don't want the oil to soak in. So our potatoes are well cooked, crispy outside and tender from inside. Oh, it's very hot. But now we go in with our onion, our garlic, and our bell pepper. A touch of barbecue. And our sauteed potato is ready to be served. Look at that, guys. So you can remove with this one. Look at our sauteed, guys. You can serve it as a snack, breakfast, or even dinner. Good for kids. Look at this. You can garnish it with tomato.